Merry Christmas, Populist Team. Mike Eller here. I just wanted to take a moment and wish you the best of greetings over the next couple weeks as Christmas and New Year approach us. Hopefully you'll be able to spend some time with your families, get some rest, relaxation, enjoy the season. Also wanted to say thank you very much for all of your contributions over the last year. We are in a very unique spot with our company in that we're having a lot of success and want to thank you for all of your contributions towards that success. We would not be the company that we are today without all of your efforts on a daily basis. So have a great holiday season. Wish you the very best in this upcoming Christmas and New Year, and take care.